Yo, Chuck.
Hey guys, back with another video. This is a function called getDigit, and it takes a number and then you can put it in indices and it'll return whatever that indices is. But it's a little different because it starts from the right hand side to the left. So indices 0 would be 3, indices 1, that would be this 2, and then indices 2 would return this 1. And anything greater than the indices would return 0. So if I said 3, for instance, that would return 0. So there's a bunch of different ways to accomplish this, but I found a really cool method on Stacked Overflow that uses kind of like a mathy example. So they say return num divided by math.power, and then you're going to raise 10 to the power of whatever I is. Okay? So in this case, let's put I to 1 just to make it easy to understand. So we're going to take the number and divide it by math pow 10 to the power of I. So 10 to the power of 1 is just 10. So we're going to divide 123 by 10. So if I return that, as you imagine, you get this 12.3. So from here, they just floor it so they can get that 12 by itself. Okay? So now you're left with 12, but you want to get to 2. You want to return 2. So what you can do from here actually is just use the modulo and then put in 10, and now you'll get whatever you want for your digits. So 3 would be index 0. If I said index 2, I would get 1, and then anything greater should return 0, and it does. So that's kind of cool. And then also in their example, they actually is like a safe case. They set the num to math absolute value. So that's kind of like if you were to do negative values, I believe. So that's pretty cool. And this will always work for any numbers, and it's super fast, which is the advantage. So let's type in a different number, and let's do 3. This should return 4, and it does. 2, and what if I put in a negative number? It's just 0. And then what if I put in a number greater than the indices? It's like 5. That should be 0 as well, and it is. So that was just a quick video, guys, on this cool getDigit function that is very fast and uses math as opposed to like iterating through the values. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.